After 1 month of flight, here's what I have to say about the DJI Mavic Pro. Happy Monday, everyone. Welcome to My Tech Monday. And like I said, this is my 1 month review on the DJI Mavic Pro. But before I give my review, I want to share with you guys some numbers. So out of this entire month of owning the drone, I've gone for a total of 28 different flights. It's flown for a grand time of 4 hours and 23 minutes with a total distance of 89,196 feet. And out of all that time spent in the sky, I've narrowed down the things that I really enjoy the most about this drone. And let's get started with the pros of upgrading. I would have to say that my 3 pros to upgrading the Phantom 3 to the DJI Mavic would have to do with its increased flight range, increased flight time, and also the smaller size of the drone. I would have to say that the 3 most impressive things about this drone right here are the ability to fold up the arms, the fact that this seems a lot more aerodynamic than its predecessors, and also the fact that they fit so much technology into a smaller package. Now, in regards to negative impressions I have on this drone, there aren't too many. I discussed a couple of them with you in last week's video. For instance, the Fly More combo bag I feel needs to be a lot bigger, and also the majority of the accessories that I talked about in last week's video I think should be included in the drone. The only other real issue I have a gripe with right now is the packaging of these propellers. This paper packaging of putting all the propellers together just doesn't really seem to work for me. Granted, I don't see any of them bent or anything like that at this point in time, but for the long run, I don't think this is a proper or adequate way to store your propellers. Anyways, guys, that's going to do it for this short video. I thought I would just share with you a couple of things that I really enjoyed about the Mavic after owning it for a month. Stay tuned next week because I'm going to go over an in-depth, detailed review on the DJI Mavic Fly More combo. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see everybody on Wednesday for Adventure Wednesday. Peace.